Hello food lovers, today we're making creamy lemon butter chicken. It's easy and delicious, perfect for a family dinner. This recipe is full of flavor. The chicken is tender, the sauce is creamy and lemony. You're going to love it. Here's what you need to make this delicious and mouth-watering dish. Gather all your ingredients and let's get started. First, we have the star of the dish, chicken breasts. You need 4 pieces cut into bite-sized pieces. Make sure they are fresh and of good quality for the best taste. Next, we have butter. Use 4 tablespoons of yummy butter. This will add a rich and creamy texture to your dish. Melt it slowly to avoid burning. Garlic is essential for flavor. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. It adds so much flavor and aroma to the dish. Fresh garlic is always better than pre-minced. Flour is needed to thicken the sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure to measure it accurately to get the right consistency. Chicken broth is the base of our sauce. Have 2 cups ready. You can use homemade or store-bought, but homemade always adds a special touch. Heavy cream is what makes the sauce super creamy. 1 cup will do the trick. Make sure it's fresh and not too old. Lemon juice adds a nice zing to the dish. Use the juice from 2 lemons. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is always the best choice. Parmesan cheese is for extra flavor. Add ½ cup. You can add more if you like it extra cheesy. Freshly grated Parmesan is always better. Salt and pepper are to taste. Season your dish according to your preference. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. Finally, fresh parsley for garnish. Chop some for a beautiful and fresh finish. It not only looks pretty, but also adds a fresh flavor to the dish. Enjoy your cooking. Now for the fun part. Follow these easy steps to create a delicious and creamy chicken dish that will impress everyone at the table. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this recipe is simple and straightforward. 1. First, melt the butter in a large pan. Make sure to use medium heat to avoid burning the butter. This will be the base of our sauce, giving it a rich and smooth texture. Next, add the chicken pieces to the pan. Arrange them evenly so they cook uniformly. Cook the chicken until it is brown on all sides. This should take about 7 minutes. Browning. The chicken adds depth of flavor to the dish. 3. Add the garlic. Cook the garlic for a minute until it smells fragrant. Be careful not to burn it, as garlic can turn bitter if overcooked. 1. Sprinkle the flour over the chicken and garlic. Stir it well to ensure the flour is evenly distributed. This will help thicken the sauce. 1. Pour in the chicken broth and heavy cream. Stir continuously until the mixture is smooth and creamy. The broth adds a savory depth while the cream makes the sauce luscious. 1. Let the sauce simmer for about 10 minutes. This allows it to thicken and the flavors to meld together beautifully. 1. Stir in the lemon juice and Parmesan cheese. The lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor while the Parmesan gives the sauce a rich, cheesy finish. 1. Finally, season with salt and pepper to your liking. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if necessary. And there you have it, a creamy, flavorful chicken dish ready to be served. Enjoy! Your creamy lemon butter chicken is ready. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a special gathering with friends. The rich, creamy sauce combined with the zesty lemon flavor creates a mouth-watering experience. Serve it over pasta or rice, garnish with fresh parsley. The versatility of this dish allows you to pair it with your favorite sides, making it a complete and satisfying meal. It's a delicious meal that everyone will love. Gather your loved ones around the table and enjoy the delightful flavors together. This dish is sure to bring smiles and create wonderful memories. You can add other things to your chicken too. Experiment with different ingredients to make it your own. The possibilities are endless. Mushrooms and spinach are delicious. Cooking should be fun. Feel free to get creative and add your favorite vegetables or herbs. Enjoy the process and the delicious results.